Managing and assigning leads manually for your team can be overwhelming. You have to make sure every new lead is shared with the right person so they can reach out immediately and nothing slips through the cracks. In this video, I'll show you how to set up automatic lead assignment in Privyr so you can instantly send new leads from any of your sources to the right team member. Privyr can directly connect to your lead sources like Facebook lead ads or your website form so that whenever a new lead comes in, you will get an instant alert on your phone. You can also automatically assign those leads to your salespeople using round-robin mode or let people claim them on the first-come, first-served basis. You can even create custom rules to route new leads to specific people based on the lead source, campaign, location, or any other custom fields you set in Privyr. For example, let me show you my lead assignment rules in Privyr. I've already connected all my lead sources to Privyr and invited my team members. Now I just go to my team tab, then click on lead assignment. Here you can view and configure how new leads should be assigned. Over here you can see I've already set out a few. My first rule specifies that lead whose location is in New York will be distributed in round-robin mode among 5 team members, which means the leads are split evenly among the 5 salespeople I've added to this rule. I also created a rule for my Facebook campaign. For example, leads coming from my New York lead form campaign on Facebook are always automatically assigned to a specific specialist. Lastly, for any other leads that don't meet the criteria of the first 2 rules, I have a third rule that automatically leaves them unassigned. This way, anyone who has permission to view unassigned lead will get an alert, and whoever sees it first can claim it. Now, here are the steps to set up different types of lead assignment rules in Privyr. First, on your lead assignment page, click on Add New Rule. Start by selecting the lead source. For example, if I want to create a rule for all leads from Facebook, or if I want to be more specific, I can also choose a specific Facebook page, form, or campaign. Let's say I want this rule to only apply to leads from Facebook campaign Summer Special. I just select that from the list. Then I can choose to leave them unassigned, assign them to a specific team member, or distribute them in round-robin fashion. Other than campaign and lead source, it's also possible to assign leads based on the information that the lead has submitted. To do this, you can select Custom Field. This gives you full flexibility to define the route based on the details of a lead. For example, whenever a lead's location field equals New York, Privyr will assign the lead in round-robin mode across 5 team members. I can also choose different logic types like equals, doesn't equal, contains, start with, and end with. This comes in handy if you have multiple campaigns that are named in a certain format, like NYC Test Drive June, NYC Test Drive July, and so on. Instead of creating a rule for each campaign, I can just say, if the campaign starts with NYC Test Drive, assign the lead to Jessica. Here's a tip to avoid typo when setting up a rule. Instead of manually entering the values yourself, you can set an existing lead to copy their information over. Just click here and put values like campaign name, form name, location directly from a real lead that is already in your client list. This way you can make sure that the rule matches future leads correctly. Once you're done defining the type of leads a rule will apply to, you can then customize which team member gets assigned to those leads. You will have a few options here. First, choosing Leave Unassigned will alert all your team members who have permissions to view unassigned leads. So whoever sees and claims a new lead first will be assigned. This ensures all new leads are always handled immediately by someone who's readily available. Next, you can also automatically assign new leads to specific team members. To do so, just enable the Assign Leads toggle for each person who should receive leads under this rule. If you enable only one team member, every lead matching this rule will get sent to them. If you enable multiple team members, lead will be distributed among them via round robin. You can also use the lead/round dropdown to customize how many leads each person gets per round. So if you want to equally distribute the leads, each person will receive 1 lead in each round. And if you want more leads to go to certain team members, here I've set it up so that John gets 3 leads per round while the rest receive 1 lead in every round. Once I've finished configuring the rule, it will appear on the list. Do remember that the rules run in order, so when you have more than one rule, only the first matching rule will apply to each lead. So if a lead matches multiple rules, only the topmost one will run. You can just click the three dots to move a rule up or down to control the order of how leads are matched. I can also click here to make quick edits, such as adding or removing people from a rule, changing the logic, or updating the matching condition whenever I need to. You can set up or edit your rules anytime on both the Privyr mobile app and Privyr web. And here's a pro tip. If you have permissions, you can always manually reassign leads after as needed. Reassigning a lead will trigger an instant alert for the newly assigned person. And even if multiple team members have handled the lead before, you will see your team's full activity history with the lead, including notes and interactions logged by past assignees. And that's how you can automatically assign leads in Privyr based on the lead source, campaign, or any information they've submitted. With Privyr's automatic lead assignment system, every lead instantly goes to the right person on your team, so you can go spreadsheet free while never missing a lead. Thanks for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please give it a like and check out more Privyr tutorials on our channel.